Double-digit thousands.
Hey guys, it's AaronTech here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 7 Plus matte black version, and it has 128GB. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So the boxing, typical of an iPhone. It's the iPhone matte black version. On this side it has iPhone, Apple logo, and the back. It's the back. So 128GB as well, if you can see that. So let's open it up. Strap here. Wrapping. It's a brand new phone. Looks very nice. Just gonna open it up now. The camera. So here we have the designed by Apple in California. And let's get a better angle. So I've taken the boxes out. Let's have a look at what's inside. So there's the phone right there. Right there. It's a new phone. Let's have a look at this first. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's inside. Got a few Apple stickers. It's very nice. The instructions, I think. Yeah, it's a quick user guide. What else? And here is the key ring, I believe. Oh, to remove the SIM card, yeah. What else is in there? I think that's it. That's nothing else in there. Move that aside. Let's get to the phone. This is the new iPhone. Did a shot. This is a new iPhone. Oh, it comes with the AirPods as well. Very nice. iPhone there. Get a pair of AirPods. AirPods there. Get a lightning cable. Very nice. And a charging dock. So guys, that was my quick unboxing video of the iPhone 7 Plus, the matte black version, 128GB. If you really enjoyed this unboxing video, please like and subscribe to AaronTech, and I'll see you guys in the next one.